Hey guys, Exploding Cheese 3 here. Okay, today I'll be showing you how to make a Lego vending machine. It's really simple, really simple. It's the simplest one I've ever made. Okay, so first you get a 4x4, you get a 4x4 flat piece, then you get a 2x2 smooth piece. You put it right here on the side. Then you get a 2x2 round piece. Put it right here. You get 1x4s on the sides. Then add one more layer. Just one. 1x2 right. So it looks like this. It looks sort of like a chair. Okay. Then you get two. You get two 1x1 smooth pieces. Put it right here. So it should look like this. Then you get a 2x4 piece. Actually, you get it first. You actually get two 1x2s, and you connect it like this. You get the 2x4, connect it right here. So that when you put it on, it should look like this. You get a 1x4 right here. So it looks like this. 360 view. On top right here, you get one 1x2 smooth piece. Put it right there. Then you get a 1x1 ramp piece. Put it facing towards you, like this. It's facing towards you. Okay. You get a 1x1 piece. Put it here. One by fours. Here, sides, and then right here, like this. Okay. And then, what you need to do, sorry, that was my lamp sound. Okay, then what you do is, you need to get one 1x4 smooth piece, one stud piece, and then you need to get just get two 1x4s and connect it precisely like this. Get the 1x4 smooth piece on top. Then this important part. When you get the stud piece, don't put it on the end. Put it right here. The side like that. Your vending machine. This. Just stick it. And then just stick it right there like this. Okay. Next thing you'd want to do is, so you turn it around, you get some more pieces, put it here, 1x3s, and one 1x2, and then you just get another 4x4, put it on top, and you're not done yet. You need to make a key. It goes right here. I'll show you how to make that. Okay. To get a 1x6. Should be a 1x6 piece. That 1x4 smooth piece in the middle. 1x1 smooth piece right there. 1x1 smooth, like a ramp piece, like this. Then you get a 1x2. Put it right under right there. Then it should make a key that goes right through. And then you get your soda here. Get your soda. If you take this off, I'll show you. Here. Right in there, the smooth round piece, right there. Here, I take this part off. That round piece, you put your cola or soda piece right there. You put this piece right back so it stays and doesn't fall back in there. And then when you put your key part in here, you just need to put it in there. And then when you put in your money in, it falls, it comes out the bottom. So it's like this. Put your key in. Get your money. Put it in. Pull it out and it should come out. Bye-bye.